Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to connect your American Express bank account with the NerdWallet app. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you're trying to keep track of your finances and you bank with American Express. How do you actually go ahead and connect your American Express account with the NerdWallet app? Now, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. So the first thing that we're going to do is log on to the NerdWallet app. Next, click on the three lines in the upper left-hand corner. From here, click on Financial Info, then click on Linked Financial Institutions. From here, click on Add Your First Account, and then it's going to prompt you to actually go ahead and accept some terms and services. Accept those terms, then click on Continue as Guest. Then look for American Express, which is located on the right-hand side. Click on American Express, and it's going to ask you to log into American Express. Once you're logged in, just select which accounts you want to be connected to the NerdWallet app. But there you have it, guys. That right there is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and connect your American Express bank account with the NerdWallet app. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.